330 people across the globe. Offices in London, Singapore, Hong Kong, Moscow, Amsterdam, Guildford, Cardiff, Edinburgh and New York. But Cardiff is one of our principal studios. Strategically, it was a decision that we took 11 years ago. For us, it's the wealth of talent that resides here. So emerging talent is the succession of our business. It's culturally really important for us. Bringing in new talent, fresh ideas into the profession that we do, the design industry, the process of architecture, is fundamentally important. We have a wide and diverse range of people in the Cardiff studio. Having said that, we've got 3 Spaniards, a Greek, an Estonian, so it's a rich cultural mix. But I think because of that, that makes our output that much richer in design and cultural terms too. We've done projects in number 3 Assembly Square, not very far from here. The funky car park in Cardiff Bay with the big blue waves, that's one of ours as well. And some of our future projects are really exciting. So the new National Museum that we're doing here in Cardiff Bay, and other things in the sports village. But Cardiff Point, very recent one, and one that we're very proud of. One of the few schemes to win an Insider Housing Award. In fact, the only one to win from outside of London in terms of best urban architecture. Again, something that I think is testimony to Cardiff's vision, really, about becoming a better place.